In 6 minutes, no touch, total control. She never handed him her phone. She never told him her password. She didn't even know he was there.
How hackers take over your phone without touching it. She's a student. Late night assignment, data is low. So she connects to free Wi-Fi. And that's when the moment happens. What she doesn't know is that network isn't from the cafe. It's from the man sitting 10 feet to her left. Here's how the hackers infiltrate your phone without you knowing. Step 1. The fake Wi-Fi access point. He's created a fake Wi-Fi network, one that looks exactly like the cafe's real one, and her phone can't tell the difference. Step 2. The silent packet capture. As soon as she connects, her phone begins talking. Small packets, background requests, every app checking in, all of it goes through him first. Step 3. Session hijacking. Most apps or websites don't encrypt everything, and the ones that do, many still expose unprotected tokens, tiny keys that identify a user. When he steals these keys, he steals her identity. Step 4. Device handshake replay. He replays her device handshake, and to the server, it looks exactly like her phone, so the system lets him in. Now he can see her browsing history in real time. He can read her messages as she types them. He can even download her photos, all without sending a single notification. She thinks she's safe because her phone never left her hand. But modern attacks don't need physical access, they only need a signal. A vibration she didn't expect, a notification she doesn't even remember tapping, a link she swears she never clicked. And in that single moment, a hidden door opens, her camera becomes their camera. Her microphone becomes their microphone. Her private life becomes public property, just not to the public she knows. Here's how to stop this before it happens to you. Tip 1. Never use public Wi-Fi without protection. Public Wi-Fi is the easiest attack surface. Use a VPN, or don't connect at all. Tip 2. Disable auto connect. Your phone connects by itself, even when you don't want it to. Tip 3. Turn off Wi-Fi when not in use. Your phone connects by itself, even when you don't want it to. Tip 4. Use device isolation mode. Your phone constantly broadcasts signals hackers can abuse. This prevents attackers from scanning your device on shared networks. Tip 5. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts when on public networks. Wait until you're on a trusted connection. Just like that, in less than 6 minutes her identity and personal information was his. He never spoke to her. He never touched her phone. She never know what he took. Your phone doesn't have to be stolen if your signal can. Stay sharp, stay safe,